The coin is finished. As I've mentioned before, this isn't just any token. This coin is a key to unlocking the chilling secrets of the upcoming adventure. This coin will be rewarded to the lucky player or players who dared enough to play Betrayal at House on the Hill, 3rd edition, and survive Traitor or Not. The game awaits and I'm excited to see where it leads. Thanks for watching, and we'll wait for how it all unfolds at the haunted house.